In 2019, with the unwavering support of our donors, Al-Mawrid US established the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning. Since then, the Ghamidi Center has been steadfast in its mission to empower scholars and educators to spread the word of God worldwide. It is dedicated to advancing education and research on Islam while addressing modern challenges and dispelling youth misconceptions through innovative and modern approaches. We are working on more than 35 projects. Examples include lectures on Ghamidi's response to 23 objections, their AI dubbing, books in Urdu, English, and Arabic, audiobooks, digital magazines like Ishraq US and Salihat Women, Sunday School, Ghamidi GPT, online educational courses, documentaries in various languages, Ask Ghamidi, Zakat Calculator, Scholars Appointment Feature, and international tours and programs for scholars. And all of this has only been possible just because of your support. Help us continue this vital mission. Donate today to the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning at ghamidi.org/donation.